Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about the value of our equipment experts. I'm Nancy Regan and I am on our land in Muscle Shoals, Alabama, where we're going to build a metal building for my husband to have a shop. And so we're here, there's a bulldozer behind me, they're preparing the land to make a good foundation for the building. David is in the backhoe and he is cleaning up all the limbs that are being trimmed from the trees so in bad storms in Alabama it doesn't fall on the metal roof. Anyway, I was just talking to David and he was telling me about all of his amazing experience, and it reminds me about reliability-centered maintenance and really any reliability improvement initiative that you have, and that is to make sure that you involve your equipment experts, because the expertise and the experience and the knowledge that they have, it just blows my mind when I talk to these people and see the way they work and what they know. Our equipment experts understand how our equipment works, what we need it to do. They understand how it fails and how it matters when failure occurs. So there you have it. Make sure that you include your equipment experts whenever you do some sort of an analysis. They are the untapped gold in any organization. I'm Nancy Regan from Muscle Shoals, Alabama. Thank you for watching.